Yo. What is up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, a review video, because it is review week, okay, with the Cannabis Carnival. I'm LJ. You can find me in these places. And then let's just get into it. We have no time to waste. And so we have our package here. It's still in the plastic. Y'all don't need my address. And as we can hear, we got some extra goodies other than just the bag inside. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Don't got time for this. Nothing with this plastic. Okay. So this is the bag. Idea tech. You guys, we're finna see what I talk about. Okay. Little Velcro pocket in the front. So let's open it up. Oh, that's another thing. It has an actual lock on that hoe. Like, nobody's getting in here if you don't want them to get in here. But how do you open it though? Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, it be on 000. All you gotta do is press the button to release the zippers. Okay, until I guess you set it yourself. Hopefully there's instructions inside. Ooh, and unfold zippy. Okay, got a little flap thing here. A lot of compartments already I'm seeing. Oh no. So I'm gonna go bit by bit here. What does card say? Okay. Smell proof bag instrucciones. Perfecto. And then they have the instructions for how to reset the combination. Then they have a QR code if you need a video on that hoe. So we have two do tubes here. Stiff twist top. Oh, okay. It's just like kind of like a twist, lift, put it back, down, twist back. Okay. I'm gonna put these two in this little pocket up here. Oh, I can lose it. In this little pocket up here for the time being. In this pocket it has like a then two oh, this is removable. Bird. Okay, you can remove that if you don't like it for whatever reason. Yes. And then this is the strap that you can put on the outside of the bag because it has those yeahs on it. I'm actually be putting this on here soon. And you have this part. Well, this is the grinder. So untwist. How many parts is it? Okay, so this top. Okay, this part's a little magnetic. So you got inside like that. Then your screen, and then if you take that off, you got your key catcher with your little spatula in there. I was actually using this because the grinder that I have, I'm not really liking it the best. And if you grind weed and then you don't use all of it, my current one doesn't have like a place where it can just sit, and so this is what I needed. And then here is a like tinted stash glass thing. It's cute. Okay, it'll probably hold like a 3.5 and some change comfortably. Okay, so that's all the little things that come with it. And then you have freaking the dividers that's in there. They're literally removable, so you can mix and match your space in that hole. Wherever there's the Velcro thing, you can take it off. Oh, this whole jank? Sure, okay, you can have nada in here if you so choose. Definitely like this. And there you have it, folks. Needed these real bad, actually. I'm gonna keep the instructions in there. I will have to get back with y'all as far as the smell proof portion of it because brand new, don't have anything in it yet. So yeah, y'all, this is the review. Smell proof storage transportation bag, y'all. I'm actually very happy to have this. Like, this is going to hold everything that I need to hold because I like having all my stuff in like just one space. Like, I don't like having a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit there. Like, for the most part, if I can have everything in one place, I would like to have it that way. And the fact that it got a lock on that hole, like, even if somebody were to take off with this thing, unless they finna destroy the entire bag, they're not getting shit out of here. If this was helpful, let me know by liking it or leaving a comment down below and subscribe to keep up with the Cannabis Carnival. Cannabis Carnival. Yeah. Tomorrow's video will be in the description. Yes. Okay, literally that other device died on me. That was so rude. But anyways, thank you for being here on this video and on this earth. That is about it. So TTYL.